everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we have to study how to find the volume of a cone. So in solving this problem, we have to use also the formula. So for example, number 1, we have a given radius equals to 4 centimeter, height is equals to 8 centimeter, and we're going to find the volume of a cone. The formula of a cone for finding the volume is equals to 1/3 times pi r squared height. So if we can observe that the cone formula is involved the formula of a circle pi r squared. That's how to find the area of a circle. We will use also pi r squared, because in a certain cone, the base of a cone is a circle. That's why the mathematician use pi r squared, or the formula of a circle, and also for finding the volume of cone. Okay, let us continue now. We have radius. We have to substitute for the radius r squared, so we have 4 squared, and the height is 8, and we have to multiply this. First, we have to multiply 4 times 4 equals 16, times 8 equals 128 pi 1/3. Okay, then we have to multiply this by 1, the numerator, and we have the volume is 128 pi over 3, so we have to divide first 128 divided by 3, and the result is 42.67 pi cubic centimeter. Or we have to multiply it by 3.14, which is the value of pi, and the result is 133.97 cubic centimeter. Okay, next, the second problem. I want to read first the problem. The base diameter of a cone is 10 meters and its height is 6 meters. What is the area of a cone? Our solution, first, of course, we have to follow the formula of a cone. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times height. And then we have to pick up the given. The given is the diameter is 10, and since looking for the radius, so we have to divide the diameter by 2. So that's why the radius is 5 and the height is 6 meters. Then we're going to substitute this from the formula. We have 1/3 pi, and the radius is 5 squared, and the height is 6. Then we're going to multiply 5 times 5 equals 25 times 6, and the result is 150 pi. Then we have to multiply this by 1. That's why we have 150 pi over 3. And then the volume now is equals to 150 pi over 3. We have to divide 150 by 3, and the result is 50 pi cubic meter. Or we're going to simplify by multiplying 3.14 times 50, and the result is 157 cubic meter. Now we come to the third problem. The volume of a cone is 376.80 cubic meter, and the base diameter is 12 meter. Find the length of a cone. Okay, the same, we're going to use the formula of a cone. Volume equals to 1/3 pi r squared times height, and the given is 12 the diameter. So we're going to divide it by 2 just to get the radius, because we need the radius. And then we have to substitute this to the r squared. It becomes now 6 squared, and the height we don't have, not given. So then we have to multiply 6 times 6 equals 36 pi height times 1. So that's why 36 pi height over 3. and we have to copy the volume, the given 376.82. Then just to eliminate the denominator of the right side of the equation, so we have to multiply both sides by 3. So 376.80 times 3, we have 1130.4, and to the right side of the equation equals 36 pi height. And then we're going to divide it by 36 pi so that the remaining at the right side is the height. And then the result 1130.4 divided by 36 and also divided by the value of pi, which is 3.14, and the result is 10 meters. So therefore the height now is 10 meters, and this number 3 problem.